Good morning friends. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay fit at home. Students, in previous class we have done how to write number 1 to 7. In previous class we have done how to write number 1 to 7. Firstly we will revise it. Okay, now look here. Take your crayon color. Firstly make one standing line. Number 1. Number 1. Okay. Now make one curve. Make one curve. Then sleeping line. Number 2. Firstly make curve. Then sleeping line. Number 2. Now look at here. Firstly make small curve. Then one more curve. Number 3. Firstly make curve. Then one more curve. Number 3. Okay. Now look at here. Firstly make small slanting line. Then sleeping line. Then standing line. Number 4. Firstly make slanting line. Then sleeping line. Then standing line. Number 4. Now look at here. Firstly make small sleeping line, then standing line, then curve. Number 5. Firstly make sleeping line, then standing line, then curve. Number 5. Now look at here. Firstly make small curve, then circle. Number 6. Firstly make small curve, then circle. Number 6. Now look at here. Firstly make small sweeping line, then slanting line. Number 7. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Okay students, in previous class we have done number 1 to 7. Today we are going to learn how to write number 8. Today we are going to learn how to write number 8. Okay students, now look at here. Which picture is this? Tell me. Yes, this is lollipop. This is lollipop. Let's count it. How many lollipops here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many lollipops here? 8. This is number 8. This is number 8. Now look at here. Which picture is this? This is candy. This is candy. Now let's count it. How many candies here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many candies here? 8. This is number 8. This is number 8. Students, this is the picture of number 8. Okay, we have to color it with the help of crayon color. Now take out your crayon color. Now look at here. Firstly make circle. Then make one more circle. Number 8. Firstly make circle. Then one more circle. Number 8. Firstly make circle. Then one more circle. Number 8. Okay students. Okay, now look at here students. This is your maths notebook. Take your crayon color. Okay, now firstly make one circle, then one more circle. Number 8. One circle, then one more circle. Number 8. Number 8. Firstly make one circle, then one more circle. Number 8. One circle, then one more circle. Number 8. Okay students, I hope you all are understood. Do practice at home. Take care. Bye bye.